Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to see a revision of MS Access Chapter 1. It is a very simple lesson. This is the lesson for creating tables and creating database. Already we have discussed and you had worked with this application. I hope you could understand what are the topics, what are the features in MS Access. You can understand. See here, the main objectives of this lesson is we are going to learn about introducing MS Access 2010, about this application and the database objects. What are the database objects we need to create a database, and exploring the startup screen. What are the menus and navigations and the features or the in that screen, and creating database and access user interface, how to use this menu and these applications. About MS Access, it is the database collection of it is used to create a database. What is database? It is the collection of information that is organized so that it can easily be accessed and managed and updated. A set of data arranged in rows and columns in the table. A table is a collection of rows and columns. So here I'm going to teach you how to create a tables and how to create a database in MS Access application. This is the product from Microsoft company. It is used to in creating and attaching backend side in software applications. So here we're going to see how to create a simple table and databases in MS Access. Watch this video. Microsoft Access 2010. So exploring Microsoft Access 2010 means how to open application and what are the screen interfaces in that applications. Okay, chapter 2 we are going to discuss about how to create a table and how to store your table and how to do update, edit, do data manipulation work in table. These are the main concepts you are going to learn about in this chapter. Let me show next slide. The main objectives of this lesson, you are going to learn about the navigate objects in an MS Access. What are the navigate objects, how to use that features in MS Access, and how to store your data, file management, how to create a table, how to store your tables in that database. So how to do your data manipulation task, create your filters, sort your table values, ascending order or descending order. So these are the main objectives. Work with the different views in MS Access. So once you have created table, we have more options, reports and other export import options are there. You will learn later. Next point, relationship window. So we have more tables. You can make a relationship with the one table to another table. So these are the main objectives we are going to discuss about in this lesson. So what is database? Already I explained what is database. Database is a collection of data organized to allow storage, access, retrieval and use of data. Okay, so here you have to, I gave example. So bank customer details, the bank system will store all the details of their customers. It is the organized view. It whenever they want to change, update their customer details, they can retrieval, they can fetch data from the server system and they can edit some data. Okay, so retrieval means what? Fetching data from one table. Okay, so contains at least one table. A database is a collection of table. It has at least one table. Thought of like a manual of file cabinets. So what is the meaning of this sentence? Thought of like a manual file cabinets. So you are keeping one file under that under that file you are keeping more papers. So like that, database is a collection of tables. So it has collection of tables with the various informations. So example, in large organizations, it is the job of the DBA. DBA means expands for DBA, database administrator. To they have a permission So they have a rights to do update, edit the data, and they are the authorized persons to work in main database systems. Next one, what is Microsoft Access? Microsoft Access, it is the application software. It is used to create a database. So a database management system, a DBMS, database management system, is a software tool that allows you to use computer to create databases, add, change, and delete data in a database. I told you example, a bank servers, the bank DBA person, database administrator, they can create a table, they can create any number of tables. They can consider as a database. Whenever they want to edit their customer details, they can edit it. Okay, another example, in school office admin people, they are collecting data about student informations. In school we have more classes, so grade wise the classes and sections are there. So collecting class wise details and collecting section wise details, so we can say it's a school database. Okay, the admin people and other authorized people, they have rights to change and update their table data. So other database languages Oracle, SQL Server, and Sybase. Why Access? So what is the why we have to learn about MS Access? So MS Access, it is the application. It is a very flexible and easy to learn, and it's a very low cost, readily available. So the default menus templates are there. You, as per requirement, you can choose a design and you can create your table. So next, design principles we will learn can also be applied to enterprise level database management systems. Access can be used on interface to pull information from other sources. It has a main screen interface. In that screen interface, there is various menus are there. Using that various menus, easily you can pull your data to another applications. So these are the important features in MS Access. That's why we need MS Access application 2010. Let me move next slide. So the main objects in MS Access: tables, queries, reports, forms, macros, modules. So in this lesson you are going to learn about what is table, what is queries, and reports and forms. Okay, now I am going to tell you how to work in MS Access 2010 application. So you have to install that application in your PC or laptop. Once you have installed, you have to click your desktop start button. I have installed the Windows 10 operating system in my laptop, so you can see the Windows start button. Once you have clicked, the all programs list will appear here. You have to go all apps, click on the tab. You can see the list of applications installed in your PC. Okay, so here you have to go MS Office Suite. What is MS Office Suite? MS Office package, it is the application. It has collection of Word file, Excel file, and MS Access. So that's why I'm calling it Office package. It is the product from Microsoft company. So here you have to select MS Access 2010 application. You have to click that application. So this is the first window when you click MS Access 2010. So here you can see blank database and other templates, default templates available from Microsoft company. So and you can see here file, home, these ribbon menus. I will explain one by one. So you are going to create a blank database. You are going to create a new database. You have to click this blank database icon. Okay, so you can see here already I have created two databases. Its name is database 2 and database 1. I have created two database files. So you are going to create a new database, and you have to give here your database name. So here I am going to create a database for Bharati Academy. Bharati Academy. So Bharati Academy is the file name of my database. Next you have to move mouse cursor to create icon. Just click create. So you can see here the file name, database name, Bharati Academy database. Okay, so you have created Bharati Academy database. So here you are going to design your table. Okay, I told you what is table. Table is a collection of a data in the form of rows and columns. Example, I want to collect class 8th student details. So what I have to do, I have to collect students name, their contact number and their parents name. So I have 3 columns and I can add how many rows I want it in that table. I can add it. So table is a collection of data. So here you can see this is the main menu. We can say it's technically a ribbon. In that ribbon we have 8 tabs: file, home, create, external data, database tools, fields and table. Okay, so here you have to click again. You will get you want to save your data or save your save as a rename or make some changes. You can go for file. So I don't want to make any changes. Exit. Sorry, click on here, open all apps, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Access 2010. So already I have created Bharati Academy. I'm going to open the database. So here enable contents. I want to create a new table. So what I have to do, so I want to create one table in under Bharati Academy database. Create, go to create menu, table. So you can see here you have to enter your table column headings and add here its value. Okay, so first you have to create your design your table. Right click it, table, go to design menu, give your table name. So in Bharati Academy we have a classes from 1st standard to 10th standard. I am going to create 8th standard student details. 8th Ruby 1. So this is my table name. I am going to create 8th standard Ruby 1. Click OK. So the table name 8th standard Ruby 1 has created. Just right click it. You can open. We want to open design view or import export options. I will tell you later these features in MX Access coming classes. So here I have created 8th Ruby 1 table. So here you have to enter what are the column headings, field name you want your table. Okay, so I want to collect a student name, and their class and section, and I want to add one more field for the name, and I want to add one more field, contact number. So these are the column headings in my table. So these are the field names, we can say technically column headings. So student name, here data type. So you have to set your data type. So example, what is data type? It's a type of data. In that field student name, we are going to enter what type of letters? Text. Yes, we are going to enter text. So you have to click on this drop down list. You can see various data types available. So as per your field, you have to choose its a data type. So student name, we are going to enter into the field collection of text. So you have to select text field. Next, class and sections, you have to select. So class and sections, we are going to enter text field. So next one, father name. So father name is a combination of alphabet letters, same text field. Contact number, all we know contact number is here what? Numbers. We are going to enter digits. So you have to choose number field. So you have to create your table field name and its respected data type. So this is the way you have to design your table. I have designed my table. Here you can see properties of your table value. You want to set field size, how many digits texts you want to enter in the table. So you can set these properties using this field properties column. So I have designed my table. I want to save this table. Just close this window. Do you want to save changes to the design of table A through B1? You have to click yes. So just open the table. You can see here I have created 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 column headings. You want to add more, you can add it. So these 4 columns in my table. Here you have to enter student name Ravi and 8th or 1, father name John, can enter any data. So next one, like that you can add student details, Arun 8th or 1, father name Mori Annan and contact number. So you can add more rows in your table. You want to save your table, just to close it, just open it. You can see what are the data entered on table. You can see here. So this is the way how to create your table. So what I have did here, so I have created one table under the academic database. Okay, so you want to create table, go to create menu and you have to click table and you have to design your table. Go to design, table design, and you can design your table. So next one, the forms options. These icons I will tell you my next class. Okay, you have to learn this first 2 chapters in MS Access. We will discuss later other group icons in the triplet. Okay, so what we discussed so far, how to open MS Access application and how to create a database and how to create a table. Okay, so go through this video from start to end. You can understand about MS Access and how to work with MS Access. So any doubts you can ask me to my mail or my WhatsApp number. In this video we discussed about how to create a database and how to create a table. So I will say the definition of table. So in technically, so what is table? A table is a set of records. Different views of tables. Design view is used to design your table. Example, I have created student details of Ruby 1, 8th Ruby 1. I have designed my table with the 4 column headings. Okay, data sheet view used to add, edit, delete records. I have entered Ravi and one more data in my table. So you can add, edit, delete records in your data sheet view. Pivot table. So I will explain this feature later. You want to organize your data or summarize data. So you want to take some reports. So you can go for pivot table. Pivot chart. You can insert chart for your table. You can create a chart from the associated pivot table view. So these 2 options I will tell you later. So work with tables views. This is the screen we have created under Bharati Academy database. So this is the design view. I have created my table field name and its corresponded data types. Okay, so data sheet view and a design view I have explained. You can see here this is the design view. This is the screen for data sheet view. So data sheet view you can see here the column headings company, last name, first name, the table field names or column headings you can say, and they have entered some data. So the primary key field navigation bar, end of the screen you can see the navigation bar, navigation tops, scroll bar. Primary key field, you can set a primary key in all the table values. So I will explain primary key value with the next chapter. So design view, this is the design view of MS Access. You can set your field name and its data type. So properties, you want to set its field size, how many digits you want to enter in last name, first name, and new values or format. You have some special formats, so currency values for some countries. You can set all the field properties. You can see here more options are there. You can set your field properties using this panel. Rest of the chapters, forms and reports, we will discuss next class. So chapter 3 and 4 we are going to discuss how to create a form and reports.